In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix OneNote not letting me edit. This issue can be frustrating, but with the right steps, you can get back to your notes quickly and efficiently. Let's dive in and troubleshoot this together. First, take a close look at the top of your OneNote window. You might see a message such as "You can't edit this notebook because it's not syncing or working offline." These messages are crucial indicators of what might be wrong. They tell you if OneNote is having trouble syncing or if there is a connection issue. Noticing these messages early can save you a lot of time in diagnosing the problem. If you see any of these alerts, take a mental note. This will help guide you through the next steps. Next, click or tap the Refresh Now button. This action attempts to resume syncing your notebook. Refreshing is an essential step because it prompts OneNote to check for any updates or changes to your notes. If there were any hiccups in the connection, this simple action could resolve them. You may notice a brief loading animation indicating that OneNote is trying to sync. Once the refresh is complete, check if you can edit your notes again. Now, let's ensure you are signed into the correct Microsoft account. Open the account settings in OneNote and confirm that the email address matches the one associated with your notebook. This step is vital because editing permissions can be tied to a specific account. If you are logged into the wrong account, it could limit your access to the notebook. If you find you are not signed in correctly, log out and sign back in with the appropriate credentials. From there, close the notebook and then reopen it. This simple action can sometimes reset the connection and resolve minor glitches. When you close a notebook, OneNote releases all its resources associated with it. Upon reopening, it will attempt to sync fresh data. This action can clear temporary issues that prevent you from editing. After reopening, see if you can now edit your notes. Next up, open the notebook in OneNote on the web. This will help you determine whether the problem lies with the desktop app or the notebook itself. If you can edit your notes in the web version, then the issue is likely with the OneNote app on your device. This step is beneficial because it provides a quick workaround while you troubleshoot further. If you are successful in editing on the web, it confirms that your notes are indeed accessible. After that, it's time to check if your OneNote is up to date. Ensure you are using the latest version of OneNote by checking for updates. An outdated app can have compatibility issues that prevent proper functioning. Updates often include bug fixes and enhancements that improve overall performance. Once you have updated OneNote, restart the app to apply any changes. After restarting, check if you can edit your notebook. Finally, check whether your OneDrive storage is full. A full OneDrive account can halt syncing and editing capabilities in OneNote. Log into your OneDrive account and verify if you have enough available storage. If your space is limited, consider deleting unnecessary files or upgrading your storage plan. This step is essential because sufficient storage is crucial for seamless syncing and editing in OneNote. If someone shared the notebook with you, ask them to verify that you still have permission to edit it. Sometimes permissions can change, making notebooks read-only. A quick check with the person who shared the notebook can clarify your editing rights. Communicating about permissions can save you from unnecessary troubleshooting steps. Following these steps should help you resolve any issues with editing in OneNote. Remember, understanding the problem is key to finding the right solution. Good luck, and I hope you can get back to your notes seamlessly.